I'm back. I lost the part 1.
Yeah. You lost part 1.
I lost part 1, that's why I made another. But this is what you got. Vigo, where are you?
I'm here at the doors. You the hello Mayo, you're the pumpkin head.
Okay guys, so Vigo the noob is here.
Hey guys, it's me Scar here and today I'm going to be playing.
And this is our we play Minecraft.
Yeah, this is the part 2 Paw Kitty Survival.
And we have
Part 1 for me, I lost my data. I mean a video.
Part 1 for
and
me.
we have apples and some delicious.
Yeah, now who wants to get some wood?
Yeah,
Let's go.
I have my reward.
Follow me.
Wait, I have to change the setting.
That's more like tails.
Okay guys, I'm back.
Pickaxe is for a stone, Vigo, and an axe.
No, this is Abboy's house.
Okay.
Now, can you go to Mayo's house? He's your roommate.
We're swim there.
I'm gonna go mining in the mine, Vigo.
Do you wanna go, Vigo? Do you want to go mining?
Okay.
Follow Mayo. He's in the strip mine.
We built a mine. Okay, Vigo, we need to finish the mine. Okay guys, we're here back and here is a deep cave.
Oh, a deep cave.
Let's break through this, Abboy.
Let's break it.
There.
Goodness.
It's really dark in here, Vigo.
Oh, go down, Vigo. Go to the mine.
Oh.
Down. Go to Mayo.
We found so much, like...
You found the diamond?
No!
Oh, you found Coca-Cola.
What, Coca-Cola? Coal? Not Coca-Cola.
I have coal.
That's coal.
What happened to your
Abboy,
voice?
I have coal. Abboy,
Voice crack.
I have... Oh no, it's
Vigo,
right
stop breaking torches.
I'm not making torches. I'm making this coal.
Shut up, Vigo.
Coal, Vigo. It's coal.
This is not Coca-Cola.
It's coal.
It's coal, not Coca-Cola. I think you mean Cola-Cola. Coca-Cola.
Coal.
Let's go to the top, Mayo.
I wish I could go on mining too.
You're not going.
Come here in the mining.
Wait.
You're not
No,
going.
wait. I'm getting wood.
You're breaking the wood.
Vigo, stop collecting stuff from the
This
chest.
is your house, Abboy.
Vigo is a slave,
Oh, here's the
Yeah.
Mayo.
Okay, Vigo, I'll make a ladder.
Huh?
Vigo, can you go get wood? No, let's get wood, Vigo.
We don't get wood. Vigo will not finish cut. Let's go mining. Vigo will not finish cut.
I will go get wood.
Without Vigo.
Vigo, come here.
Please teach him. Don't let him leave trees behind.
Yeah.
Let him cut all the wood.
I'm not finished yet.
Okay, Vigo, don't break all the wood, Vigo, okay?
Okay.
Do not leave only leaves.
Leave a leaf.
Okay, Vigo, I got plenty of wood. Let's go back to the house.
Four.
Okay, so I'm back, Vigo, and I made stripe.
I'm coming to the water.
Don't stripe your wood.
Papa.
Accident.
It's cold there. It's so cold there, Papa.
Okay, Vigo.
Yeah, it's really cold, Vigo.
It's cold in the water.
So I'm making a ladder, Vigo, for the second floor.
You make a water.
I have a
see
door.
The octopus in the water.
What?
You see an octopus?
Yes, I can see the octopus in the water.
Excuse me, Vigo.
That's your pet, Vigo.
Vigo, move out the way.
Do you know Vigo has a pet octopus in Minecraft now?
Yeah.
Oh, I have my zombie. Run! There's zombies in the water, boy.
No, don't go in the water. Go to Mayo. Don't go in the water.
My octopus is my pet.
Okay, don't go to the water.
Whoa, I have my chicken squid.
Yeah.
Now. Oh my God, Vigo, it's getting dark.
Oh no! It's so dark. We need to go sleep. We need bed.
No, hide in the house.
Close the door, Vigo.
Hide with me.
I'm building the house. Come here, Vigo.
Can somebody break that button? There's a hole. Yeah.
That's a lock.
There.
I got the button.
Okay.
Okay,
The
Mel.
button for iron.
Okay, Mel.
Okay, Vigo. Okay, Vigo. Shut up.
My house is almost done.
Vigo, stop putting dirt everywhere. Leave, Vigo, if you want to mess around.
Stop, Vigo, stop.
Stop messing around.
Do you have coal?
Yes.
Can you give me some?
How much?
I only need...
Hey, this
No,
is our
I
house.
needed 7.
This is our house.
Just drop it in the ground like here.
I see the octopus.
Move, Vigo, move. The mayor's giving me torch. I mean, no.
I have my torch.
Yeah, move. Can you give me torch, Vigo?
Okay.
I don't need your coal, Mayo.
Okay.
Um,
Time to make
no,
some torch.
I'm so very dark.
Okay, Vigo.
Can you give me coal? Vigo has 1 torch.
6 only.
Stop cut my torch. Stop cut my torch. Stop cut my torch. Stop my torches.
Vigo, did you put that button again?
Yes, I put the button to do. It's a magic
Vigo.
door.
Yeah, where's Vigo for messing around?
Okay, Vigo.
Okay. Okay, Mel.
Go
it's
outside.
getting dark now.
Oh my god.
Mel, it's dark now.
Vigo, there's so many cows. Let's kill them. We need food, Vigo.
Mel, it's nighttime time.
I know, but there's cows.
Okay. Come here.
Yummy.
That's a stone. Because I lost my stone.
You want this phone?
I'll be back, guys.
Wait, sheep?
Okay, guys, I killed a skeleton. You got the sheep, Vigo?
Yes, I got the sheep.
Okay.
Oh my god, I just saw iron. An iron ore.
I already have 9.
Oh, do you have an ogre?
Boy, are you in the water?
Vigo, I have a bow, Vigo.
Ooh, he has a bow, Vigo.
Oh, yeah.
Sheep, baby sheep. Oh,
I think Vigo has a bow.
Vigo, it's not a baldy. It's really dark here, Vigo.
Mel, it's getting
Ooh, look at Mayo.
Okay, we're back, guys, and we're gonna smelt. Vigo, come here. We're gonna cook some food. 8 beef.
Ooh, 8 beef?
Yes.
Wow.
My food is finished, Luto.
No. Vigo, stop breaking torches.
I'm not breaking.
Vigo, your food is not finished cook. What? Your food is not finished cooking yet.
Where's that door?
Okay, we're back. I'm back on track.
Okay, Vigo, that's all the mining session for today.
Oh no! No,
Here's a prize, Vigo.
I'm scared of
Here's a prize. You can get a pickaxe. You can get 2 pickaxe and a sword. That's a prize.
No, I'm scared of the dark.
Hold your sword, Vigo. I gave you sword. Here's your sword and.
It's morning now.
Oh, nice morning.
Yeah.
I like morning. I'm gonna put Vigo down in the morning.
I'm so full now.
Okay, off split controls.
It's not this one. It's morning now. It's not dark now. Oh, good morning, boy.
Good morning,
Good morning, Mail. It's so morning.
I just crafted my own spear.
It's just light now.
No.
I feel super strong now.
I have a iron pickaxe now. Hey, Vigo, do you want a stone pickaxe?
Okay.
Oh, here you go. Okay, so go to your house.
Vigo, we have a protection door. Vigo, come in. Push.
It's
We have an
raining.
iron door, Vigo. Push the button.
I have no roof.
Come on.
I have no roof.
We have roof.
We have roof. Boy, it's rain now.
Wait, I have to put my roof.
Vigo, we have an iron door for protection.
Wait, no, wait. Oh, yung doors can only protect the player.
And zombies.
Yeah, zombies can break. I have to.
It's raining now. We not go through.
I'm outside, Vigo. I'm trying to hunt some wood.
Oh, Mail! It's rain now.
Yeah.
You guys can go to my house if you want.
Oh, okay.
My house is super.
Okay, guys, this is the end of me. I'm sorry, it's only little, but I have little small space. So goodbye, guys. Goodbye.